If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, welcome. Today I want to do a unboxing of a mail call that came in a few days ago, and I looked up a friend of mine, Craig Williams, an artist that loves painting, that also does woodwork. I mean, you name it, the gentleman can do it. That's his thing. So, without any further ado, let me show you what's in the box that I ordered from Craig. First time for me to look at this, as it will be your first time too. Now, I never thought I would need to order one, but yeah, if you're like me, into inks, and you keep saying, you know, I don't need any more inks, I don't know where to put them, I don't want any more inks, I'm done with inks, but then you get more inks. So, I mean, I've got inks out the kaboozy, and I'm sorry I'm a little bit late on this, but you know, I do have my health issues I'm dealing with, and so when I'm not feeling well, I can't, you know, do my thing. It's what I love doing, this right here. And what I love most of all is you guys out there joining me on my journey up and down and all around my experiences, right? And thank you really for hanging in there with me. So here we go. Finally getting to it. Now, this is what I wanted, and this is what he did. Okay. Nice, sharp Swiss knife. Here we go. Beautiful. I can see it now. It's good looking. Okay. So here we go. I have found my ups and downs and all around. Here we go. All right. Let's go ahead and show you now. Here we go. And this is the bottom part of it. Got these two ends like the little legs that it sits on. Nice and flush. Look at the staining that he's done on this wood. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at this. And I have 10 slots that I wanted him to do this way. So I can at any time grab a vial of ink or what have you and put it in here. So I think I have a vial somewhere. I have tons of them, and you know, when I need one, I can't find one. Let me just use this one here. Bam, there you go. So I can have them right here when I need them. Right now they're in the drawers, and I've got some down there, up there, behind me, everywhere, so this should do the trick. So, and I was thinking it could even hold a pen if I want. I've got these markers on there just for the heck of it. And let me see what else, just for the fun of it. It could hold a pen, and I'm just kind of fooling around with it live. But anyway, here's some more right here. Look at that. Yep, perfect. Just what I needed. So, Craig Williams is a gentleman that does the work, and he does some mighty fine work. So anyway, you can find Craig on Facebook and Instagram, if I'm correct. The price is affordable. The work is up to par. I really like it. It meets my needs. So it's a win-win for both. Now we're going to bring in number 2. And here is a package from John Hubbard. Now, does John Hubbard ring a bell? Mr. Announcer, does it ring a bell to you?
Oh, yes, it does.
Rings a bell to me. A while back, I think it was last year or so?
2 years ago.
2 years ago, okay. John sent me a very cool pen that he made himself. If you're into space, well, that was right up the alley, was it not, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah. And you can check out my video that I did on that about a couple of years ago. I forgot the name of it, Moon Pen or Moon Man. Been a while. Almost there. Oh. All right. Here we go. Here we go. First time for me too. John Hubbard is the name. Artcraft Pens. And he's down in Huntsville, Alabama. Here we go. Alright. First time for me. Here we go. One, two, buckle my shoe. Four. I'll set that on the floor. Let me just read a little bit. And then later I'll do a review on the pen. When you order a pen from John, you're always going to get this certificate of authenticity. And it looks just like this, meaning it's the real deal from John Hubbard. Not a fake, not a copy, but the real deal. And one is the Mars Rover Pen Limited Edition. And this, just to read a little bit about this, this is certified that the Mars Rover Pen is number 5 of 47. So that means he didn't make a whole bunch. So if you're interested, get a hold of John. Let me get into the pen real quick. Here we go. Here we go. Comes in this pen sleeve right here. And a little card right there saying Artcraft Pens. And gives you the address, John, his phone number, and is email. And I'll give that to you now. You got your pen and paper ready? Let's do this real quick. aircraftpens@jehubbard.com. Got that? Let me just let you see it. Is that a good shot of it, Mr. Announcer? All right.
Got it.
So now let's take a little look-see what's in this pen sleeve. Not a cigar. Here we go. And here it is, folks. Open it up. Beautiful nib. I'm just letting you get a little look here, and I will be doing a review, and I will be telling you all about the pen. Good looking color, good looking pen, nice shape, feels great in the hand. No, it doesn't have a clip. Well, that's number one. So, yeah, can't wait to get my pen ink and give it a whirl on paper. So, the Moonwalk pen, okay? And there's a lot to cover about the pen.
Well, I think that's the Mars pen.
The Mars pen right here.
Yeah, the one you just looked at.
Okay. And we'll go over that this week for sure. Gotta ink them up. Right, okay. John, it's an honor for me and a privilege to be able to show all the folks out there these beautiful pens that you have designed and come up with. Great idea, John. Let me see here. I'll put this aside, that aside. Because I want to make sure that I get it right. Not that I always do, because I tend to forget sometimes. Well, a lot of times, actually, but all right. And here is the next one. Comes in a rickshaw pen sleeve. Comes out. Look at this monster. We came in peace for all mankind, it says. Beautiful, isn't it? It really is a beautiful pen. One is one he made a few years ago, and then the other one is the newest one. Is it not, Mr. Nelson?
Yes, that one there is the one that was previously issued, the Moonwalk pen. And
Right here.
Yes, the other one is the Mars pen. It was brand new.
So this is the first one that came out. Stunning, beautiful, fits well in the hand, writes beautiful. And I believe it has a Franklin Christoph nib in it, which I will go over later. Let's go back to the first one, the Mars pen, right here. And I'll do a side by side and all that good stuff later. And I'm looking at the detail on the pen. And it's got the detail. It really is a beautiful pen. Screw off the barrel. And there's the cap. Nothing in here. Screw it back on. Now we'll take the cap off. Okay. I'm just looking. And this other one has a Franklin Christoph nib as well. Both of them with Christoph's nibs. So I'm looking, and I do believe if you wanted to make a knot dropper, you could. And comes with a converter, both of them, and they pull out and you push them in. So I will get on the stick and get these done, because I know everybody out there is waiting to hear more about these really cool pens that Mr. John Hubbard has come up with. Stunning, beautiful. Again, Mr. Hubbard, it really is an honor for me and a privilege to be able to show these pens to all the people out there. And really, thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to review your pens. And I hope I'll do justice on it. I will do the best I can. And again, thank you. Until I see you again, be ready for the review. It will be coming up very, very soon. So, peace and love to all. Take care. Bye-bye.